Hello, here we're showing how to use the side plate component for SDS2. The first thing that you're going to do is point to the side plate XML that you obtain for your specific project. You'll do that by going in the job or fabricator options, job setup, component, side plate. And here you'll be able to browse for your XML file, which I have here. Select that, press OK. When that is done, we are ready now to use the tools in SDS2. So I would look at my contract documents and see what connection IDs go where. So here, for example, I just have a SketchUp of elevation grid line A, and the members and connection IDs contained there, a intersection of A and 4, 3 and 2. So in SDS2, I would open up my elevation A, find my 4, 3, and 2 grid line. Then I'm going to use this tool called the markup tool. And in order to use that, I need to make sure I select my appropriate columns, which, one second, select the columns, and then run my markup tool. It'll show the first column here at grid A and 4, and I see at that location I have connection ID A5H and A5H, so I will record those here. Press OK. Then it brings up my next column, as you can see, and those ones I see I have the connection IDs of B5H and B5H. So I'll record those here. Press OK. See the next column highlights as well. I'm going to go ahead and pause my recording and fill these out, and we'll get back to you afterwards. Okay, I've marked up all my connection IDs. Now I'm going to run the SidePlate auto load tool, which will now apply all of the connections. Now once SDS2 finishes processing, you'll see the connections applied wherever you have marked them up with the markup tool. Here we see we have some one-sided and two-sided connections. We have both the field bolted connections and the field welded connections. It will also look at the slopes and the steps in your system and adjust the connection appropriately for them. And you will also be able to go inside each of the connections, and you'll see that these parameters have been filled out per the contract documents, and you are good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoyed the component.